Buddy, Cyber Monday on Blez Football is off to an incredible start. We just did a full case of 22 Bowman's Best University that had like 7 golds. Plus one of them was a Will Anderson gold auto. It was really, really good. Everybody's getting these teams for a super discount on Cyber Monday. If you use the code, all lowercase, Cyber1. Cyber1. I apologize. Take that back. Scratch it. Cyber7. Cyber7. If you use all lowercase Cyber7, one word, you will get 7% off whatever purchase you make. It doesn't matter if you take one team or if you take 10. You're going to get a 7% off total on all of it. And like I said, if you buy direct through the chat with me for any team on screen, I'm going to hook you up. You're going to get better than 7. All right, this is a half case of the great, the one and the only. The HTA version of Bowman Chrome U. This is delight. Of course, Kyle. You're a hobby friend, pal. Of course, I'm going to do everything I can to take care of you. All of you guys are. Oh, guys. Bless family. Can we get off topic for 1 second before we start? I got a new show for you. It's a reality show, and one of Blonde One's family members turned us on to it. Actually, her youngest brother. Guys, if you're looking for a new TV show to watch, if you don't like reality TV or reality contestant shows, okay, you might not like this, but if you're willing to try it, there was a great show on Netflix, an Asian show called Squid Game. I mean, everybody knows that show, right? Squid Game was like the talk of the world forever. While they were putting together season 2 of Squid Game, it was taking too long, so they decided to create a reality show. It's on Netflix. It's called Squid Games: The Challenge. Try it. I wasn't going to watch it. Blonde One and I watched it. There's 5 episodes out. The other 5 episodes drop on November 29th. The first 5 episodes we watched within 24 hours. And I think they're an hour long each. It was really good. I mean, I got to tell you, they put these people into really messed up situations. It's pretty good. You'll like it. Has anybody here watched it? Anybody? Okay, let's see what we got. Lucinda, I don't blame you. To be honest, it's like, I got 2 days to wait and I don't want to wait. I got to see the next 5. It's good. It's just, because it's a little sick. Like, they put them into twisted situations. It's crazy. The refractor portion, Bray. First surge is Dane Key. Looking forward to seeing what this kid does at wide receiver. Kobe Prentice for Bama. Plumlee. All of the colleges. Bo Nix. Cam Rising. Vance Refrigeration. Evan Stewart and JJ. Feeling good on this channel today. How are you guys doing out there? Is everybody feeling good? You starting to feel that holiday spirit a little bit? Oh no, I feel like this is much different from Fear Factor. I don't see it anything like Fear Factor, Mikey. Florida? Savage, are you sure it's the right? All right, I'll check it after the break, Savage. But are you sure it's the right break? Okay, Savage, you're the man. When did you buy them? Just wondering. Okay, it is right, but I'm just wondering when you bought them. Corum refractor. I love this kid. I love Corum. Brock Bowers refractor. Jordan Travis. Yep, Kyle Alex on the kill. You guys left Clemson. They have 2 quarterbacks in 2023. They have Cade Klubnik and Christopher Vizina. That is a pretty big card. Orange Surge, Bowman first to 25. Nice hit. Kyle, are you sure? Okay, I'll check it. I'll check. We'll see. Kyle, you're just the man. Emmanuel Henderson for Bama. No! Shador purple! It's hurting my throat to yell. King Love! These cards, his true colors are going to sell for a lot because they're firsts. They're Bowman firsts. Kahuna. Williams for Clemson. And Kyle on the kill. No way. No freaking way. That's huge. Guys, if you don't know who this guy is, he's the first two-way player. For I think for like a top 50 college team or top 100. Cornerback and wide receiver Travis Hunter for Colorado to 150. That's big. That is a big hit. Filthy. Run back coming. Take your teams in the other half. This break is amazing. I'm on fire lately. Every break I seem to do lately is good. You guys can't miss if you take teams and breaks I'm doing. I'm just telling you. Link to the next one. Next auto in this box goes to Baylor. Kyle Alex. Kyle Alex is killing the kill. Killing the kill. Caleb. Mondin. Donovan Edwards. Louisville, that's got to be all of the colleges. That's Shawnee Akiyu to 25. Brandon Innes. Mason Smith. Dubinion to 99. Will Howard auto. Kansas State, that's going to Vance. Michael Pratt for Tulane. That is going to go to Vance. Shador. That's only half the break. That's wild. That's half the break. Plenty left. Dante. Shador. Wow, good refractors. Jackson Arnold. Kyle McCord. Third orange in the first 4 boxes for Texas A&M and Vance. Chapel. Morris. Will Johnson. Shapin for Kyle on the kill. All of the colleges. Drew Alla refractor. Benson. Stop it! Bang! Get out your seat. Get out your seat, Bless family. Do it with me. Get out your seat. Let's get some exercise. Let's get some exercise. Let's get some exercise. That's one of the bigger cards. That's going to sell for a fortune. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go, baby. Oh, that was too much. I think I'm going to throw up. Oh, that was sick. That is a huge, just huge card. Oh, my God. Oh, that's so big. That is such a... That's going to sell for so much money. Say 2. 2 of 25. Nope. How funny. Whose jersey number is that on the left? Guys, whose jersey number is that on the left of the cereal? Come on, this is easy. Everybody say it. This is easy. You're damn right, Kyle. Everybody say in the chat, neon. Neon. That's his dad's number, 21. That is a huge freaking card. That needs to be picturized. This break is too good. Take the second half now. You know what? We only have 5 spots left in the cereal for NT full case. I want to do the run back of this first. This is that. I mean, that card. What's that card worth? I don't even know. That card is so big. Holy damn. Efro, Drew Allar. That's nice. The Winter Soldier, Bucky Irving. Yellow auto of Ellison for Wake Forest, and that is going to go to all of the colleges. On card auto. Ty Simpson for... What did he sign it? What does RTR mean? Guys, RTR? Okay. Hey, any inscription's cool. Roll Tide Roll. How do I not know that? King Rascal. Come on. How do I not know that? How did I not know that? That's bad. Another Shador refractor. Colorado literally buried this break. Too bad Ty Simpson doesn't even play. That's the problem. Okay. Last box. Yeah. Sometimes it is too obvious. Yeah. Yeah, that should have been easy for me. I should have known that. I don't know why I didn't. Yeah, I'm hyped over that Shador, man. That's a big card. Drew Allar Surge. Rome wasn't built in a day. Another Kahuna. Brock Bowers. For Castleness. Top tight end in the country. Awesome break. Just an awesome break. Autos. Devin Neal and a refractor of Dante Moore. Last hit. It's going to be one of these insert autos. This is probably going to be really good. No! This is the best Colorado break I've seen. This is the best Colorado break I have seen in any product of any kind. No way. I think Colorado just 8x their money, right? Did Colorado just 8x to 10x the buy-in for the team? I think they did. Probably 10x, right? That's insane. Vance, what's up, brother? Part of it is the Dion head coach factor, that it's his kid. It's the story, I think. All that matters is that people want to buy it. And they do. Yeah, you over 10 extra money. I don't know what I'm talking about. Colorado, like, probably 12x their money, 13x their money. I forgot there was a Travis Hunter Kahuna auto. I mean, this break was just dumb. Beat the sorts. All right. Let's recap it. We're going to run another one. Oh, I'm pulling heat today, boys. Way more than that, I think, Eric. One second. King Love 800. There we go. Done. All right. Yeah. Really? That card isn't more than $200? I don't believe it. That's really hard to believe. But it doesn't matter because it has it can still go up. Probably because it's a surge. If it was true, it'd be way bigger. Refractor. Ty Simpson to 50 with the Roll Tide roll inscription. Shador $3.99. Travis Hunter. 150 auto. Kahuna. This is ridiculous. Shador to 25 on a first. Shador auto to 99. Amazing.